Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Friday, May 18th, 2012. The market opened up this morning here at 1308. We have a range that we watch price action initially, and we don't want to take any trades this first 15 minutes from 9:30 to 9:45. However, in the direction of the gap fill, we did have an opportunity to get short. It touched our entry price but did not get filled. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had another opportunity to get short, got target one off and got stopped out for -2 ticks. Today we kind of expected it to be a choppy day. It was options expiration day as well as Facebook coming out at 11 o'clock for the IPO, and so we expected it. Price action remained relatively stable inside of this opening range. We did, if you're trying to trade in here, you got to be expected to take a few more stop outs. Had an opportunity to get short. Target one was hit, got stopped out for -2 ticks. And then you can see price action just remained in a sideways consolidation. We had a nice clean setup here at about 10:40 or so. I did not take this trade again because we were stuck in the middle of this opening range. Then just before the IPO came out, I tried to go long and got stopped out from a full stop out for -16 ticks. Expecting, I think there was a lot of hype going on in the market at that time. Everybody was all fired up thinking this Facebook was going to take off. And then another opportunity to get long, got target one off, got stopped out for -2 ticks. Then the IPO did not launch. There was a delay based on the NASDAQ. So any trades going on and through here, again, very choppy, very selective. So if you're trying for a scalp, try for 2 ticks and 4 ticks. We got a total of 6 ticks in this particular trade. Those are just pure static profit targets. In the meantime, the actual IPO didn't come out till 11:30. You think that was maybe strategically placed? 11:30 goes into what's called a no trade zone. Facebook took off, I think moved up. When it began to settle back down, I think there was maybe some false hopes or maybe a lot of the hype, the reality of the hype was coming in. At this point, it kind of comes into how long have you been trading to watch, internal gut feeling was saying, you know what, this thing is going to sell off just primarily because of the sideways chop. The sideways chop was accumulating buyers, called an accumulation phase, coming out of the no trade zone. We had an opportunity to get short, got target one off, got stopped out for -2 ticks, but the pressure was building to go to the downside, and we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. You could have gotten more on this easily by simply trailing your stops above these swing highs, right? Each one of these swing highs would have taken you down into anywhere between 11 to 16 ticks more. Want to feel safe, which a lot of traders try to do. You get your target 1, target 2, put the money in your account. Another opportunity very shortly thereafter to get short and ride that down for another 11 ticks. Each one of these little retracements could have been met with a selling pressure. And another opportunity here, target 1 and target 2 hit for a total of 10 ticks. The support level here was a monthly support level. Was this thing going to break? We didn't know. There was another couple opportunities to get long and through here. Again, kind of keeping your profit targets tight with the pressure that was to the downside. You don't ever want to jump in front of a falling knife. A little bit of 6 ticks there to the upside. And then this thing was going to break. We saw retracement back to our moving average. Found support on the monthly level. And as it broke through that monthly level, just as we see time and time again, we call it a kiss goodbye, comes back up, hitting this monthly resistance level and sold off a little deeper. We took a total of, I think there was target 1 was 2 ticks, target 2 was 8 ticks, it would have given you 10 ticks, and then you pop a trailing stop on at this high. The trailing stop got stopped out right here for a loss of 2 ticks, so we got a total of 8 ticks in that particular trade. And that was it for the day. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday morning.